Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by establishing reliable habits. Train runs, swims, and pull-ups 3 times weekly so your body adapts. Once done, organize paperwork into a single folder and confirm medical clearances. This prevents delays. Make sure your kit is minimal but serviceable. Break in boots and practice marching in them. You'll reduce stress by solving logistics first, so when you arrive your focus is physical and mental performance rather than missing forms or blisters. You now follow a disciplined daily cycle: early physical training, practice drills, and focused skill sessions that build competence under fatigue. Once you master basics, swim treading, proper rifle safety, and cadence marching intensify with simulated stress so performance carries over. Make sure to prioritize recovery, hydrate, eat protein-rich meals, and get consistent sleep to consolidate gains. Practice controlled breathing and positive self-talk. These habits sustain you when instructors increase tempo and scrutiny. You approach finals with focused rehearsal. Simulate timed runs, inspections, and qualification reps until they feel routine. Once practiced, execute with deliberate pacing. Start conservatively and increase effort, conserving energy for the final push. Make sure to use accountability. Teammates and leaders can spot errors and coach quick fixes. If you encounter a recurring failure, proactively request corrective PT or medical evaluation and document concerns. Early action prevents escalation and keeps you on course toward graduation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.